Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn table calculation, and it is a part of our series Tableau calculation. I have created many videos on the calculation. Please watch if you haven't watched yet. Okay, so let's get started with the table calculation. So what is a table calculation? Basically, so table calculation is a calculation, but it is a special kind of calculation which we perform on the view or on the table. In the table calculation, we use some specific kind of functions like rank, lookup, first, window sum, window average, etc. And we can perform such operations like if you want to calculate percentage of total, if you want to calculate moving average, so we use table calculation. So let's take example, and we will take segment and cells. Okay, cells. Okay, so we want to calculate percentage of total. Okay, okay. So how can we use table calculation? How can we achieve percentage of total? Okay, so you will click on the measure, and you can see here quick table calculation, and there are some by default table calculation thing running total, difference, percent difference. Currently we are want to use percentage of total. Okay, so now you can see it is showing percentage of total. I will put the cells as well to better understanding, and even I'll put an analysis total. I want grand total. Okay, so you can see this is the total, and this is 100%, and this is the part, this is 80%, this is 30%, and this is 50%. So we can achieve this thing, okay, very easily by using the table calculation. And one more thing I would like to show you, that in normal calculation there is no triangle sign, but in table calculation there is a triangle sign. So I'll show you one more thing, that I'll take order date. Okay, order date and year, right? Let me format it to better view. Okay, so you can see now it's calculating the percentage total in top to down. Okay, like this is the 100% of these three segment, this is the 100% of these three segment. Okay, this can be achieved without using the table calculation, but if you want calculate that percentage of total left to right. Okay, if you want to go in this way, left to right, currently we have calculated in this way, top to down. Okay, so in order to achieve this, table calculation provide very good functionality. Okay, that compute using, currently we are using table down. If I want to calculate on table across, I can use it table across. It will, if I click on the table across, this will go in this way. Okay, this will calculate in this way. Okay, you can see. In order to show you, let me put total. So okay, now you can see, now this is 100% because it is calculating left to right. Okay, so this thing can't be achieved without table calculation. And one more thing, that you can't write any SQL code for this. If you check the SQL code for this table, you will not found anything for the left to right and top to bottom. Tableau does this thing on the top of the SQL code after the query performance. This thing happen. Okay, so this is more optimized and more efficient. It works very fast. Now I'll show you one more example. Instead of segment, now I will take category. Okay, category, and one more thing, subcategory. Okay, now you can see, and now I'll do the same thing. Okay, I'll count the sum of calculation, and I'll take table down. Okay, so you can see the 100%. Okay, so this is, so you can see this 100% is sum of all the rows. Okay, this is 100, this is the total of all the rows. Okay, this is total of all the rows. Okay, all the category, all the subcategory. But if we want to calculate on the pen level, this is the pen. Okay, let me show you this. This is the pen. And if you want to calculate on the pen level, like we want to calculate 100% of total on this on this level, okay. So what we'll do, we will try this thing, compute using, okay. So we will use pen down. Let me click here and do one more thing, total, and I want add all subtotal, okay. So you can see now on the pen level you have percentage of total, you have 100% of this furniture, you have 100% of office supplies category, and you have 100% of total technology. So now we have a total on this pen level, so you can do on the pen level as well, okay. Now I will take other thing. Now I will take index function, that is also a table calculation function, okay. So I'll take and I'll put in the text. So you can see this function only provide the indexing, okay. So let me use, I'm using table down, okay. So it will provide the calculation top to bottom, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see because we have used compute using table down. If I'm using table across, it will calculate from 1 to left to right, okay. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if I want 1 2 3 4, then I want 5 here, 6 here, 7 here. I mean to say we want to calculate on the pen, and we want to go left to down, left to right, then down, okay. So that we can achieve also, that I want to go in the pen, that first I'll go the across, then I'll down, okay. So I'll click, okay. Let me show you. I'll show you, okay. So you can see in the furniture category, this is the pen, this is the furniture pen, okay. This is the furniture pen, and I'm going first of all across 1 2 3 4 in the pen itself. I'll go down, okay. So it will calculate till the pen, and until this pen we have 68 values in furniture, okay. In other pen you can see it will start from 1. First of all it will go 1 2 left to right, then down, and other option is there that I want to go down first, then across, okay. So you can see first of all it will go top to down, then across, then down, then across, then down. It is going like this only. Let me show you. But first of all it will go with this one, then up, then down, okay. It is going like this, okay. There is one more option remaining, sale, okay. So sale is nothing, just this is a sale, okay. So we want to perform on the sale level. So every index, every ranking, every percentage total, we want to perform on the sale level. So it provide every value 111 because it is calculating only for the sale, okay. Some more options are remaining. You can explore by it yourself, or you can ask me in the comment. I will explain to you, okay.